Welcome to Recycle Karo, India's largest and sustainable lithium-ion battery recycling facility. This huge and one-of-a-kind facility is capable of recovering rare materials like nickel, lithium, manganese, and cobalt with high purity levels. Thus, they can be directly reused to manufacture new lithium-ion batteries. Recycle Karo has developed technology that is safe, sustainable, and economically feasible for recycling of lithium-ion batteries. For over 11 years, Recycle Karo has been creating profitable recycling solutions for its customers. The aim has always been to reduce e-waste and refine as much material as possible through sorting, processing, and efficient logistics. Today, Recycle Karo has a strong presence in major cities across India and collection facilities throughout the country with over 1,200 touchpoints, making sure they are always within your reach.
Our nation targets to become net zero soon, so you can imagine the amount of lithium-ion batteries getting generated. Recycle Karo is already in future. This plant is capable of recycling 7,500 metric tons of batteries as of now, and we are already in process of expanding it to 50,000 metric tons by 2025.
All the recycling in the company is done in an environmentally safe manner. Recycle Karo is a government-authorized organization for collection, storage, dismantling, and recycling of lithium-ion batteries.
जैसे हम सभी जानते हैं कि भारत में बड़े पैमाने पे ई-वेस्ट जनरेट होता है, लेकिन भारत में उसको प्रॉपरली रिसाइकल नहीं किया जाता। इसीलिए रिसाइकल करो में हम हाइड्रोमेटोलॉजी प्रोसेस यूज़ करके उसमें से लिथियम, कोबाल्ट, मैग्नीज जैसे मेटल को रिकवर करते हैं।
The process of recycling is divided into two stages: mechanical process and hydrometallurgical process. And it all starts from here. The batteries sourced from around India are first discharged and dismantled and shredded into tiny pieces to obtain the core material, the black powder. This black powder is then sent to the chemical unit where it is further processed through various stages to extract the rare compounds. Recycle Karo maintains the highest standards in processing of rare compounds. Their quality assurance team and supervisors are present to monitor each process carefully, taking samples to check its quality at every stage. Their in-house lab has world-renowned equipment and machines that analyze the purity of components, right from raw materials to in-process to final output. Recycle Karo's innovative hydrometallurgy-based process makes it possible to recycle rare components from all types of lithium-ion batteries at a purification level of more than 99%, and the reason why they are certified with various accreditation.
The business activity of Recycle Karo assumes a substantial significance, particularly in the light of the new trends that are emerging around the world, and particularly that in India in terms of the EV and the EVSE. What happens is actually the lithium and the cobalt, which is particularly practically non-existent in India, is being recontributed into the circular economy by recycling the batteries. The contribution that Recycle Karo is making in terms of extraction of important metals like lithium and cobalt sulfate is the main and the important contribution that has gone from the company's side to the world and India at large.
In a more sustainable society, there is a clear need for Recycle Karo's expertise, product, and services. Collaboration is essential to reduce climate impact and improve resource utilization. Recycle Karo is on a mission to leverage its technology to provide a customer-centric solution for lithium-ion batteries by creating a secondary supply of critical battery materials. The world needs improved technology and supply chain innovations to better manage these never-to-be-used batteries and to meet the rapidly growing demand for critical and scarce battery-grade materials. Recycle Karo is further expanding its facilities manifold for a future-proof recycling of lithium-ion batteries. Together, we can decrease the carbon footprint, secure our future, and pave the way for a sustainable economic growth. Recycle Karo, जिम्मेदार बनो.
रिसाइकल करो, जिम्मेदार बनो.
रिसाइकल करो, जिम्मेदार बनो.